Listen, a Armanii. Back again. Listen, here's the Armanii. I dropped the album. Drop the rock to that, 100%, 100%. I'm gonna care. I'm gonna say, the rock to that. Right, that's what's gonna be a segment. Like, rock to the Armanii album. Respectfully. Respectfully, though. So, I'll say, what we, listen, wait. The album drop. Hold on, chat. Let me check. Let me check. Next thing you hear is that album done drop already. This is a song or the single will drop, but where's the album though? Where the album at though? Cause album supposedly dropped long ago, but Armani just did that delay. Alright, I'm not really listening up. Let's check releases just in case, cause this literally just dropped today or yesterday. Cause the sign I'm on it, but nope, one song. Alright, so album not drop yet, but definitely I'll watch that when right, listen when that is out. Um, so we have Armani, GWAN. Let's get into it, man. Yo, the Armani been hitting recently, See what Armani and GWAN. Yo, I mean, when the way, like, bro, I swear I know it's Armani smoke. I swear, whenever I say Armani smoke, I never knew. Probably because him not spam it, like, the man not really, I always say that, just, like, the man not really spam it, dog, like once in a while. Oh, man. July. Long time in the first when I started since July, bro. Not real life. Oh, wait, hold on. I ain't know after this. After was coming. Hold on.
Like a nuisance. She take two shots. Top shelf, no usuals. I do that, but it feel like be a cool hand. Come make we fly to a new land. Just me and you guys screw. Like you up, set you up on the dresser. You are wild like your bad, get a better. Better can fuck like you a dog. Better can fuck like you a dog. Don't need clothes, girl, take it off. Get the hand, get some. Like you up, set you up.
Okay, hold on. Arma. Na empty cup where the pan, brother. Like, you couldn't even buy a little water feed out of the massive pan, bro. Man, really, a car around with empty cup. That means, bro, not one food in that cup, innit? Means, come on. Not even little water, bro. Little thing. Little something. And water. Yeah, she was talking to me, chat. She was talking to me. She was talking to me. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to her.
love your style. I beg you
Mm.
fling it on me. Girl, I can't lie. You too damn unruly. When I hit your line, go and work like Riri. Give it to me, you give me all, give it to me. Loving you all, give it to me. Check if you are, give it to me. Let me give my all, give it to me. Loving you all, give it to me. Loving you all, give it to me. Loving you, loving you, loving you. Cock you up, set you up, on the dresser. You are gone like a bad, girl, better. Better can fuck like you a dog. Better can fuck like you a
But
dog. You no need clothes, girl, take it off. Get the honor, give yourself. Cock you up, set you up, on the dresser. You are gone like a bad, girl, better. Better can fuck like you a dog. Better can fuck like you a dog. Don't need clothes, girl, take it off. Fuck like you a dog. Better can fuck like you a dog. Don't need clothes, girl, take it off.
yeah, I see that too.
Hey,
No. Hey,
baby.
Armani. That was another banger, man. That was another bang. No, what is the end screen? The man dog couldn't just do a dog screen. Both Armani. Another bang. Tough man. Tough song. Can't wait on the album. If everything sounded like this, then albums would be crazy. So shout out to Armani. Them thing there. But another banger first, man.